Hello students, this is your course on blogging and tools. In this video on measuring and managing blog performance, we are going to talk about reviewing and moderating comments. Comment review and moderation is an activity that you start doing from the very beginning itself. As soon as you publish your first blog post that attracts a comment from your readership, you have to actively engage in comment processing. And while this is not something that you use for monitoring or for measuring blog performance, this is definitely an activity that improves your readers' experience of your blog and therefore should be taken seriously. Comments received on every blog post can be reviewed and moderated in the comments menu, which is accessible from your WordPress CMS dashboard, as you can see in the image below. So within posts, right after media and pages, you have the comments menu. As soon as you click on it, this kind of screen pops up wherein you can see all the comments which you have received across different posts. So, those of which are pending for any kind of action are indicated as such. Then you have approved comments which you may have approved at a previous date, which also would be visible in the same menu. You also can mark certain comments as spam, or you can delete certain comments right away, and those would be indicated in separate submenus as well. Now, as you can see here, underneath each comment, you have an option, first of all, to approve it as is without making any changes. If the comment is good, if it is relevant to your content, and if it adds value for future readers, then it makes sense as a blogger to approve the comment and let it go up on your blog site. But if, let's say, there are some grammatical mistakes, or if you feel that there are some typos, then you can make a quick edit or edit the comment extensively also, depending upon what you want to put across. It is, however, advisable when questions are being asked in a comment, or when some advice or suggestions are being asked, or when a comment is making an opinion known in about the content that you have presented in your blog post, then it is advisable to reply to these comments in addition to approving them as well, because this is a golden opportunity for you to create a repo and create a dialogue with your readers, and further get to know what kind of content they are interested in and what kind of content they would be coming back for to your blog. Therefore, this is an activity which is very qualitative in nature. It is time consuming and hardly anything that you can automate, other than the fact that you can definitely apply some conditions so that spam comments can be weeded out. But other than that, it's an activity that requires your time as much as putting out a unique content in the form of blog posts. It's also your responsibility when you are managing your blog to check the comments which you receive on a daily basis and respond to them as soon as possible, and or at least take actions on them so that your pending list is small. So that's about managing comments on blog posts. Next up, we'll talk about managing blog performance on social media. Until then, thank you.